Matt here with 911R and Brain Trailer. We have this 2021 Aston Martin Vantage. This is a special edition car because it's a 7-speed manual transmission. But this car is also really cool because it has 2,500 miles. It has some really tasteful, nice, expensive upgrades that have been done to it. You can see a receipt for it in the gallery. But this car is a black metallic. You got anthracite matte finish wheels on it. You got carbon fiber inside the headlight area. You got the cool spoiler. You got a matte black stripe on the hood and the deck lid. But inside this car, when you look into it, you have the orange accents, the square racing style steering wheel with the orange accent on it, the orange accents on the doors, and the center console. This car obviously is loaded up with all the modern features, navigation, automatic climate controls, just all the easy stuff, full power seats. These cars, I'm gonna open and close the door again because it's really neat. They kind of come up at an angle, and they're really neat because you can stop them almost anywhere. It's just really a cool feature of Aston Martin's, I think, how it's done. It's very unique Aston Martin trait. I want to talk about the motor in this Aston Martin. It is a V8 twin turbo with 503 horsepower. These engines are sourced from Mercedes, so it's an AMG Mercedes motor. It's signed off by the builder of the Aston Martin, but again, this engine came from the Mercedes AMG factory. So you got a bulletproof German AMG motor. I mean, it doesn't get any better than that, But come around the car, you see, aluminum construction, all the special stuff for additional rigidity, the Skyhook suspension that's fully adjustable. This car is really a dream to drive. One more thing about this car. In the Aston Martin Vantage run, they only built 400 cars that were manual transmission. 100 of those were the James Bond 007 edition cars. So that only left, obviously only 300 or so for the rest of the 3 or 4 year production run. In 2021, it's estimated they only built like 50 or 60 of these cars. And that's a total worldwide. So again, you're getting a very, very rare last year of manual transmission Aston Martin. This is bound to be a collector's piece for sure. Any questions, please use the contact seller button. We're happy to help out in getting any information. We're happy to get transportation quotes for you. Or if you're interested in 911R selling a car for you, please let me know too. We'd be happy to work with you. Thank you.